The climate has already changed. Floods are no longer rare. They're the new constant. Yet most buildings are still designed for a world that no longer exists. Rising seas, heavier rainfalls, stronger storms. We need defenses that match today's reality. Laminated glass with SentryGlas interlayer stands against hydrostatic pressure, debris impact, and prolonged submersion. Even with damage, it keeps its integrity, outperforming conventional PVB. Compared to PVB, SentryGlas delivers higher post-break integrity, superior water resistance, and over triple the hydrodynamic pressure tolerance.
Many countries around the world are already protecting their most vulnerable spaces with certified glass flood walls.
SentryGlas isn't the technology of tomorrow. It's what we should be building with today.